Yeah, no emotion.
The pulley broke off of my generator, so I can't start this. I opened it up, rewound the rope thing twice, tried pulling and it broke both times. Went to fix it a third time. The bolt inside that attaches the pulley has stripped, so now I can't take it off to fix it. So this is done. I'm taking out the gas from here, putting it in my new one, and now this is overflowing because I was doing the video, so this is overflowed, which is okay. But we ended up having to buy a new generator, and since I'm nowhere in the area to pick up a package this big at any Circle K or Amazon drop-off box, I went to Harbor Freight and picked this thing up for $400 and something, $430, $439. That was the cheapest model. Pretty quiet, works fine. I like it actually better than this one. This one is heavier, bigger, and this one's easier to transport. This is a necessity for us because our weather has been this every day around this time, 2 in the afternoon till about when the sun goes down. So we can't really use the solar panels because those don't charge even when the sun's out. I'm gonna start her up now because my battery's at about 40%, and I like to have it charged up overnight so the fridge stays on and we have lights, and I can run my new Wi-Fi booster. Here she is hooked up. This is the no roof mount, no drill in the roof mount, and it stands higher than the roof, so we'll get a better reception for the Wi-Fi. And it does give me a full 4 bars when we're out here now, so I can upload these awesome YouTube videos and get some work done. So hopefully we can get more uploads in the next few weeks. Keep you updated and keep you guys entertained. My arms are looking a lot better, right? Jeez Louise. Yeah, it's non-stop out here. So I'm gonna give this a yank and show you how she starts up. Oh, here comes some friends of ours. Boom. Power. Alright, watch my other videos. Like, subscribe. Smell like gas, so I'm going to clean up. I'm going to set up for a shower tonight because it's been, I don't know, a week, and with the humidity, I smell like an onion garlic salad.